Pytorch, to first start off, we have to check if our virtual environment kernel is set up. So check over here if it says virtual environment or whatever the name of your virtual environment is right over here. All right, to install Pytorch, you would want to use pip, or what is it? The % pip install torch inside of your notebook. I already did so I don't need to do that again. And you import the torch inside of your notebook. Cool. Now, to explain what a tensor is, the simplest way is a tensor is just a multi-dimensional data container. So all of these 4 examples right here, they are containers for data. So we have a scalar tensor, we have 2 examples of vector tensors, and we have a matrix tensor over here. So let's run them. This is what you get. And we can print out their dimensions and we can print out their shapes. So 0 dimensions, 1 dimension, 1 dimension, and 2 dimensions over here. And these are their shapes as well. So for example, C has 2 rows and 3 columns. Now we can print out dimensions bigger than 2. We can print out 3 dimensions as well. This is an example. So here we have 2 matrices. We know that for each matrix it's going to be 1 row and 2 columns each. Next, we can make tensors that have random data, all zeros and all ones, like these here. And we can also make tensors using a range. So we can have the first data being 0, the end data being 10, and for each step that we start from 0 at, we add 2. So 0 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. Also, we can create a tensor we can make a 0-like tensor here. So we can have a tensor full of zeros with the same size as G right over here. So if G has a size of 5 numbers, 0 all the way to 10, then, no, 0 all the way to 8, excuse me, then it's going to have the same size for 5 zeros, which is going to be 5 zeros as well. Alrighty.